Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit messages on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Launch the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Open the chat where you sent the message you want to edit. Long press the message you want to edit. A menu will appear at the top of the screen. From the menu options, tap on the Edit option. Make the necessary changes to your message. After editing, tap the checkmark or Save button to update your message. Your edited message will be marked as edited, so both you and the recipient can see that changes were made. You can only edit a message within 15 minutes of sending it. After this time, the edit option is no longer available. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for our next videos. Thanks for watching.